The Star Micronics mC-Label3 is a label printer and a thermal receipt printer all in one. It can take a variety of thermal paper rolls, including linerless labels, standard liner labels, and thermal receipt paper rolls. So first, let's talk about linerless label rolls, also known as liner-free labels or sticky back receipts, and that's because they're essentially thermal receipt paper rolls with a sticky adhesive backing. There is no liner to peel the label off of, reducing waste, and therefore it's more environmentally friendly. It's also a continuous roll, so you can cut the label to any size that you need. Now, the adhesive to linerless labels is also meant to be repositionable. So this is especially great for restaurants, QSRs, because if you put the label on the wrong order, you can easily peel it off and put it on the right order. Now, POS Supply Solutions offers a full line of linerless or liner-free labels, which we call QuickStick Receipts, in our 3 1/8 inch wide, 2 1/4 inch wide, as well as our 1 1/2 inch wide rolls, with varying adhesive options ranging from removable to semi-permanent and permanent adhesives. And our linerless label rolls are also non-phenol, which means they are made without BPA, without BPS, or any other phenols. So they are California Prop 65 compliant and Washington State compliant as well. Now, the mC-Label3 can also take standard liner labels. So these are also thermal labels, but they have a liner that you need to peel the label off of. They're also die cut to a specific size, and the adhesive is permanent. So these rolls are meant to, stick someplace and stay there. And POS Supply does offer Star Micronics brand thermal labels for the mC-Label3, which are also non-phenol. Something that we recommend for the Star mC-Label3 is to use printer cleaning wipes. Even though this printer is designed for sticky back receipts or linerless labels, over time, adhesive residue can sort of build up on the print head and affect performance. So we do offer label printer cleaning wipes made specifically for label printers and linerless label printers. We'll link to all compatible products down below, as well as our Star mC-Label3 buying guide. If you're still not sure what you need, give us a call. Our experts are always here to help you find the right supplies for your setup. At POS Supply Solutions, we make it easy, and we're here to help you make the most out of your mC-Label3 printer.